how did you meet your wife?
I met my wife on a dating app 300 miles away while I was in Minnesota. I had a few pictures of myself. She liked my tattoos, and that's basically how the conversation started. It was about a week or two before I could actually get back over there. So when I actually did, we met up a time and everything, which did not work out at all, and I ended up seeing her about 12 o'clock at night, and she brought me some roses.
She got you roses, and then after that, she quit her job.
Put in 2 weeks' notice. About a week later, jumped on my truck because I was like, I'm coming back. I don't know when, but I was like, hey, do you want to go and have an adventure? She was like, sure, let's get out of this place. I don't like it anyway. And our next place was in Colorado, and we went and seen the mountains, and we stood on top of the world, and we looked around, and we was like, hell yeah, we're here.
You went by, picked her up, she jumped in the truck, and y'all have been together since.